Hello viewers, I'm Advocate K.R. Rawat from Lexis and Company. Today we're gonna talk about estoppel, common law and equitable overview. So, the practice notes in the subtopic are concerned with the pleading and estoppel as a defense and on limited occasions as a basis of a cause of action but do not include pleading. Defenses of cause of action estoppel issue estoppel, sometimes known as collateral estoppel or judicial estoppel or estoppel by record, which are deal with the doctrine of res judicata overview. So the doctrine of estoppel, the basic concept of estoppel is that when a person A has caused another B to act on the basis of a particular state of affairs, A is prevented from going back to the words or conduct which led B to act on the basis if certain conditions are satisfied. In such cases as estoppel is stopped from resting or denying the existence of particular state of affairs. Now, the following dicta of Sir Anthony Mann in Jones versus Leyden, citing in terms of cases is reference to the representation estoppel is of assistance. Now, the essence of an estoppel is that the party is supposed to accept a legal factual position which is not necessarily the actual position. It gives effect to the erroneous belief of the person with the benefit of the estoppel because the other person has the either given rise to it. Now, it may be helpful if I explain in any own words the important idea that led to behind the time of principle of bench Claude. Those ideas are as follows. The person raising the estoppel, who I shall refer to C, must know that the person against whom the estoppel is raised, who I shall refer to as D. So this is what doctrine of estoppels talk about. I hope you are clear with the doctrine of estoppel. If not, then do let me know in the comment section. I'll clear all your doubts regarding estoppel and doctrine of estoppel. Thank you guys for watching my videos. I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care of yourself.